Have you ever entered an ancient temple or palace and felt an immediate sense of peace? That's no accident. These spaces were designed with intention. Our ancestors created living environments that aligned with cosmic rhythms. They used a secret map, Vastu Shastra, the science of architecture, centered around a mystical diagram called the Vastu Purusha Mandala. Think of it as a cosmic blueprint, a grid that channels energy, guiding where to place rooms for harmony and well-being. The mandala isn't superstition, it's about syncing our homes with nature's subtle energies. In today's world, we often forget this energetic dimension, focusing only on looks and function. The wisdom of the Vastu Purusha Mandala invites us to see our homes as living partners, nurturing our body, mind, and spirit. Let's break down the name. Vastu means dwelling, Purusha is the cosmic spirit, and Mandala is a sacred geometric diagram. Together, the Vastu Purusha Mandala is a divine energy grid, a metaphysical floor plan overlaying your home. It maps out how universal energies, represented by deities, flow through your space. Each part of the mandala corresponds to a different energy or function. By aligning rooms, like the kitchen, bedroom, or prayer area, with these zones, you create a home that supports your well-being. The mandala is a guide, not a superstition, for conscious, harmonious design. It transforms your house from a shelter into a sanctuary. This ancient system is as relevant today as ever. The Vastu Purusha Mandala is the ultimate tool for creating balance in your living space. Every great idea in Indian tradition comes with a story, and the Vastu Purusha Mandala is no exception. According to legend, Brahma created a powerful cosmic being that grew so large it threatened the world. The gods pinned this being, face down, onto the earth, each holding a part of its body. The being cried out, and Brahma granted it a boon. It would become the spirit of every plot of land, honored in every building. The deities who pinned it down became the presiding energies of different parts of the home. This story reminds us our homes have a living energy that must be respected. The Vastu Purusha isn't a monster, but a cosmic force to harmonize with. Building in alignment with this energy brings health, wealth, and happiness. The mandala is visualized as a square grid, 9 by 9 with 81 smaller squares. Each square, or pada, represents a specific energy, mapped to the cosmic being's body. The grid is always aligned with the cardinal directions, north, south, east, and west. The northeast, where the head lies, is the source of divine energy, ideal for prayer or meditation. The southeast, ruled by the fire god Agni, is perfect for the kitchen. The southwest, representing stability, is best for the master bedroom. The northwest, governed by Vayu, suits guest rooms or storage. The center, the Brahmasthan, is the energetic heart. Keep it open and uncluttered. This layout channels cosmic energy through your home, supporting every aspect of life. The mandala is a precise map for harmony. Understanding these zones is the first step to a balanced home. How do you use this ancient grid in your modern home? Start with an accurate floor plan and identify true north using a reliable compass. Draw a 9 by 9 grid on tracing paper and overlay it on your plan, aligning north on both. The grid should cover your entire home, matching the outer walls. Now, see which rooms fall into which zones. Where is your kitchen, your bedroom, your entrance? This overlay reveals the energetic strengths and weaknesses of your space. Suddenly, your floor plan becomes a map of energy. You're not just arranging rooms, you're shaping the soul of your home. Let's see this in action with a sample house. The entrance is in the northeast, excellent for inviting positive energy. The kitchen sits in the southeast, aligning fire with the fire zone for health and vitality. The master bedroom is in the southwest, grounding the family in stability. The center, the Brahmasthan, is open, allowing energy to flow freely. But there's a flaw, a toilet in the northeast, the most sacred zone. This placement pollutes the energy, potentially causing health and financial issues. Even one misplacement can undermine the whole home's harmony. That's why Vastu analysis is crucial. It helps you spot and correct imbalances. A well-aligned home supports every aspect of your life. The Vastu Purusha Mandala isn't about superstition. It's a guide to living in harmony with your environment. Your home is an extension of your consciousness, Its energy shapes your well-being. You don't need to rebuild, just start with awareness. Overlay the mandala on your floor plan and notice what you find. Is your center cluttered? Clear it. Is your northeast blocked? Open it up. Make one small conscious change and observe the shift in energy. This is the beginning of a dialogue with your home, a journey towards sanctuary. Every step brings you closer to balance and peace. Start today and let your home become your greatest ally. In our next discussion, we'll explore simple remedies for Vastu defects. No demolition required.